shit, it's a tunnel. Watch out, Cameron. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be heading over to Roseville, where we actually had the privilege to drive that Jaguar. We're going to go back over there. We're going to be meeting up with a new gentleman here on the channel. It's the first time I meet him, but he has a Q60, a tuned Q60. I think he's pushing a little bit over 500 wheel. Pretty insane. What's special about this is that he just got it wrapped in the same color as this G35. So we're going to go ahead and meet up the younger brother with the older brother version of the car. Is gonna be pretty sick, and we'll see what happens. And also, we're trying to reach 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you can be a darling and help us out by hitting that like button and hitting that subscribe button, I really do appreciate it. But without further ado, right now we're gonna go ahead and meet up with Genzilla once again, and we're gonna mob together to Roseville and see what happens. So Genzilla says he's here, but I don't see him anywhere. So what did he bring? Did he bring a Prius? Because I don't hear him. Where's he at?
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Welcome to Roundtable. How can I help you?
What's good? Can I get a large pizza with
Bruh, stop playing, bro. Where you at?
Where you at? I'm not really. Wait, did you go to the one in Arena or the one in Truxville?
Bruh, stop.
Are you the one in Arena?
Yeah.
God damn it, bro. I'm just going right now.
Which one are you in?
Because I said by Rayleigh's, so there's one right by Rayleigh's on Truxville as well, I guess. Oh, are you the one that's Bel Air?
Yeah, bro. Dude, I told you Arena.
Yeah, but I was like,
man. Damn, boy. You got no more pops? It's stuck. Damn, bro. I don't even know you no more. C63 with the same midnight purple, bruh. Look at this. This is badass. Hey. You guys are saying midnight purple, bro? So check this out, bro. This thing is mint. Just going to a rally, bro. Look at that. Those Akabonos, midnight purple, bro. This guy's taking my dream away, bro. Are you serious? Crazy. He's even got infinity caps, bro. Are you serious, bro? That's commitment right there, bro. Bro, jump off. I'll give you $100 if you survive. Ah, chill. Look at that, bro. Man, you can smell that
Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna take some pictures of BeDistinct and Q60.
Getting a phone call from Jordan, bro. Say hi to the vlog. Yeah. Okay.
Hella forward. So you can see your wrap from this side too. No, dude, from the side right now is hella bright. Right now, dude, your side is all purple.
Dead ass?
I'm serious.
What about his side?
His side's all purple.
And check this out, man. This is pure heat, man. This thing is awesome, bro. 2005 G35 with its older or younger, bro. I don't even know what. All right, guys. So we're gonna have the owner talk about a little bit about his car, what he's got done, bro. It's freaking pure heat, dude. Here we go. All right, Matt. Talk to us a little bit about your car. What you got going on?
All right. So basically, it's full bolt-on E85.
Yeah.
Full bolt-on for these cars are intakes, heat exchanger, downpipe. So right now I'm full downpipe, so I'm full catless right now. Don't let the feds know. And then full exhaust. I have the AMS low pressure fuel pump.
Yeah.
I have the Spool high pressure fuel pump and AMS flex fuel kit. And I'm running on it's like E79 right now. So
okay, well you got the flex fuel, so
yeah.
Man, that's great. So how much did you push at the end?
So we dynoed it about I want to say like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
It made
Weather? What was the weather looking at?
It was like high 90s.
High 90s.
So yeah, my air intake temperatures were in the 90s.
Oh damn.
So yeah, it was a little heat soaked, but it wasn't too bad. It made 500 at the wheel
500
and
wheel.
532 wheel torque.
Damn, that's pretty good on 90-degree weather.
Yeah.
What do you think if you were like in Lake Tahoe or something? Like a cool ass place. What you making? At least like 530?
No, I think realistically, it probably made about 520. I think.
520?
Yeah.
Damn, that's triple of what mine made. Hey Cameron, how much foot-pound of torque did my car make?
Yeah, so we dynoed it, bro.
Yeah. Tell them, don't be afraid, bro. Tell the viewers.
On 91,
yeah.
it said it was less than lawnmower on 85.
Get out of here. Hey, you're lucky I'm not 7 foot.
Hey, no, you don't need more than that. That's it. You don't need to go forward, bro.
Leather interior, man. Carbon interior. Is this it come with the car or you put it on?
I put that on.
Man, it looks good though. Is this a Q60 or a Q60R or whatever?
This is actually a premium.
A premium 3.0 though, right?
Yeah.
You got the boy Matt, he's got the GoPro, so we're gonna give you that footage that is a different angle, and then we're gonna record my face. And what's your name again, Genzilla? And we're gonna look in the back. How's it back there?
You know me since middle school. You gonna ask me for my name, bro. Come on now.
Bro, it's good.
Let me show you guys real quick.
Give him a tour.
Look at this. So, it's my first time in the car, but I'll give you a good tour because I've been pretty back here for a while. But you know, it's gutted seats. But I got my seatbelt on, so I'm all good, you know. But
When I did my big break,
there's a trunk in there. It's a good size, you know, if you want to like fit a body back here. So it works out well.
Got the boy JC over there.
What up?
What's up, son?
Hey, dude, we're about to do some pools, bro.
We'll be right back.
It's a little fast.
Yeah, we'll be the judges, all right? He's got that.
So so this is my tuning software dashboard. It shows me all of my stuff. So like right now, my charger temp, hot as fuck.
Damn, well, you're what?
150 right now, 154.
Damn, that's your intake, right?
Yeah, that's my intake temperature. I have to switch maps, so I'm on this is daily, and then I have a kill mode.
Race mode!
Oh, you put us on the kill mode, bro.
He put us on the kill mode.
So
oh, damn, this is fast! Oh, we're not even doing pool yet, huh? Man, you got it all wrong. Oh, shit, it's a tunnel. Watch out, Cameron. Oh, shit! Damn, bro, use them Acabonos. Man, what the fuck? He said his heat soaking. Man, get out of here. That's slow?
It feels slow to me.
What? This guy's nuts. Yeah, I would just be pulling this all day, wasting gas. Oh shit, bro, relax. Damn.
And you telling me this is slower than
He said it's slow, bro. Cameron, tell him something. Give him a lie detector test.
Bro, there's no way this is slower than the Jag. This feels way faster, unless it's because I don't have no seats to hold me back.
You got no seatbelts. Yo, that is wild. That thing's wild. Breaking necks on the daily, my guy.
Oh,
dude, that was fun. What the fuck?
Yeah, look at my charger temp. It's still like 130. 138. One like max power.
Yeah.
It would have to be in like the 80s.
80s?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, you're almost double, dude. Yeah, that's bad. Hey, how much did that cost you? You got a cop radar detector?
Yeah.
How much was that?
Unit in R7. It was like 450.
Oh shit, guys, we're about. Oh my god. Woo! Woo! Damn, bro. Oh, it's a turn, bro. You got sway bars? You got sway bars? Hey, everybody, comment section, recommend them some sway bars right now. Man. So supercharge just freaking goes, right?
Yeah.
Just
It's
goes
more
right
like
off the
linear
bat,
power
right?
band. Yeah. This thing, because they're really small turbos.
Right.
So they spool like really fast.
Right.
And they keep it like literally the whole time.
you brake boost?
Damn, so it just kind of builds and then
No,
it hits all at once?
I didn't even brake boost on any of those.
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck, bro. Jesus. Cameron, are you all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
Man.
I mean, if you did that on the road, I'd probably be in the trunk. But
Dude, dude, you gotta tune your car, bro. What are you doing? ASAP. Yes, sir. Peace out. Oh, that color is sick. Bro, if y'all don't know this man right here, I know you guys know Fly One. This guy won the competition, bro. He beat everybody. Bro, let me get you in the sunlight. Even though you're white, you're still dark, man. Man, bro, how do you feel? How do you feel? The winner.
I'm pretty lucky, to be honest, though.
Dude, he what you win? Fenders or hood?
Carbon fenders. Q50.
Dude, he won a pair of carbon. And how much was the raffle ticket? Like 100 bucks?
3 tickets, $50 a piece. So 150.
Yeah. He got a pair of fenders
Yep.
for 150 bucks. Unseen, unreal. We met the man.
Yeah, man, myth, the legend.
All right, guys, so we're pretty much just gonna go to Dutch right now, and then we're gonna go to downtown Sacramento, hang out with the crew. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today, man. That Q6 ride is insane. Again, shout out to Q6_Zilla for that ride, man. That was magnificent. All right, guys, we're pretty much gonna end the vlog here. We have a bunch of cars right here. Let me show you guys before I end the vlog. We got the Honda, bro. We got the infamous G35, bro. We got the Q50 looking sick as hell. Whoa, I'm coming through. Got a Nismo, bro. Fire, dude. Wide body Honda, freaking sick. V1 Nismo, freaking sick. Type R, bro. Awesome. 370 Nismo with honeycomb, bro. This is fire, dude. Then we got a freaking 250. Fender to lit, bro. That thing's nice. We got Genzilla, and then we got the guy with the wide body Genesis, but it's in the shop right now. But he's got a Miata for now, and this thing's a blast, bro. I never knew how fun these cars are. Freaking sick car. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. I appreciate it. Slap this video a like. I'll catch you guys next video. Take care, guys. Peace. Oh, fuck, bro. Jesus. Karen, are you all right?